we'll tell you a little story about our company. Well, the president already mentioned that we are a young company, 6 years, but that doesn't mean we lack experience. We have vast experience, over 20 years. Our specialists, let's say, they pass on their technological knowledge to clients to set up SNG and LPG systems. What is our timeline? Well, let's start from the top. The first blender in Poland. On the left side, very beautiful yellow-green. 20 years of experience. I've already mentioned that. 300 installed evaporators. We also completed 10 installations of the SNG system. We started all of this in Poland, but not just in Poland, because we are the official representative for Korea Gas Engineering in Europe, so we started right away with Europe. I'll call it that. Because in 2018, in 2022, our sales volume exceeded 300 evaporators, 8 mixers. In 2023, we have the honor of being a member of the Polish Gas Association, Liquid, which is also important for us because we address these topics, POGP, to discuss everything. Our challenges, our future-oriented solutions in the LPG market, but we are also looking to the future and we want to promote bio-LPG in 24. In that year, the company opened its own, let's call it a factory, but this is just our beginning. And the production is also certified. Recently we passed ISO 9000 and we have that certificate, which I will also be showing. I mean, we have the approval that we passed the certification. The certificate will be ready in about 2 weeks. We also try to be everywhere to understand what's happening in the world. We are participating in the Gas Fuels Forum. We were in Rome, LPG Week, Gas in Energy. We also participated Gas Expo. Other important fairs where we can meet and talk about the LPG market. They also write about us, Kaja. We also have the pleasure of collaborating here. This concerns gas and fuel heating, e-petrol. Also describes us. We have articles, legal advice for the fuel industry is also part of what they do. Nawa Engineering is an information portal from the electrical publishing house. They also have great magazines in the energy sector, and the glass market is also important for us. And we posted an article, maybe it's not visible to everyone in the world of glass, who trusts us, different companies. Let's name them. Such popular ones, for example, we have here. I don't know if he has already passed. Our client from Hungas, Czech Republic, Biovast, Lithuania, Nestle, Onur, Uglas, and other well-known companies. Our products are generally LPG evaporators, which I already mentioned in the previous presentation. 4 types: SNG blender, which mixes different gases, Zanechny, boilers, gas. We have the pleasure of hosting Gazuno, who will be here. We're also presenting a cool, very interesting presentation. Please stay. LPG tanks, LPG pumps, and equipment for the production of bio-LPG. Attention. We also have some interesting information. In general, and the maximum is, as I said, exclusively a representative, a renowned manufacturer, Korea Gas Engineering. Soon, who is Korea Gas Engineering? He has 12 years of experience of producing over 4,000 LPG evaporators. Apart from the fact that they produce well, they also deliver solutions. So, besides the evaporators, they also sold 30 SNG mixers. KG's production task is certified according to ISO 9001 with other necessary certifications, and each product has the appropriate certificates. We are the first producer we mentioned We can mix gases in a blender. This is biomethane, hydrogen, natural gas, LPG, and others. Yesterday, I spoke with a representative from Norway, with whom we will also be happy to discuss DME. You can really mix up to 12%, but those will be further discussions. Here's an interesting fact on the left side. Next to the wall is a container. LPG gas evaporation station, the i-max gas series. Along with an external boiler, gas, and a circulating water evaporator. We designed it for difficult conditions that can reach up to -25. If it's set up, it will work. It's not like it's on the moon. Sure. What else do we do? Besides the fact that it's nice and we can sell it well, we also offer services. We provide technical services, checking, gas equipment. We do technical design, installation of devices. Please see how happy the guys are to be working with us. Gas supplies. Well, and also documentation and cert audit. We definitely collaborate and can provide such services so we can start our projects from scratch to what is called the total end of signing the documents. And gas, mobile technical service. We come and try to fix it urgently in 1 working day or 2. Problems at our clients. Regarding certification, that's also important for the installers we host. Well, we also have what's called WPQR. The blender is in the process of certification, PEDA. So we have the FIPQR, we have the certificate, we can read it, everything is nice. We will receive the certificate on May 6th. We've already gone through the whole procedure. We just need you to send us that paper in the mail, so you could say we already have 9001. We'll receive the PED from the company Soldar at the end of next month. I mean, Soldar is the company that handles our output is on the rail. Our solutions are within the ISO 3834 framework, and then the next step is maintaining the PED and the PED certificate. As for the right side, that's how it will look on our end. Our mixer installations, where we actually installed them. Well, to be honest, we installed them in Ukraine through our partners at the well-known company, Giant Nestle. You can read about such efficiencies here. Glassworks in Rovno, Ukraine. Velaria. LPG plus air mixer. We have SNG Glassworks in Żytomierz. We also supply grain elevators with the autonomous evaporator, KGE, where we will set it up. It will work there. An autonomous asphalt plant, a grain dryer, and so on. We also have installations in foreign territories, countries. In Lithuania, we have a water evaporator with a water circulation system. Open projects in the Czech Republic. I know that my colleague from Hungazu has already installed the water circulation system there, and there are still 2 dry ones. So, yes, we definitely install and support our clients from abroad as well. And we also have reference lists, which you can find on our website. So, besides what I'm saying, you can really read that this is actually happening. Thank you very much. This is our team. You've all met everyone here. There will also be my colleague Juri and Piati Brat, who I will discuss in detail. Our blenders. Thank you very much. Well, have a nice time. Enjoy everything.